Time is 8:38. Welcome back, everybody. Summer vacation. I'm sorry to say this, but it's winding down pretty soon. Kids will be back in the classroom for another year of learning. A new school year can also bring anxiety for parents whose kids have special needs. Schuler and Hughes law firm is stepping up to help parents navigate the special education system. We have co-founder Kristin Hughes and attorney Brad Dembs joining us in studio to tell us a little bit more about their new advocacy service. So, Kristin, you experienced this firsthand. Tell us a little bit more about that.
I did. As a parent with a child with learning disabilities, I didn't know where to start. I was lost in the maze of the special education system, attending school meetings, scheduling evaluations, trying to understand the complicated definition terms and the qualifications, while watching my child continue to struggle.
That's
I
tough.
did not know what my legal rights were, and I did not know how to move forward.
And you ended up taking a leave of absence to try to figure this all out.
I did. And what I found out is once I understood what my legal rights were, I was able to move forward, not only in partnership with the right school teachers and administration, but also able to find collaborations to formulate the right supports on a daily basis to have my child supported. And now she is set to graduate high school and go on to college.
That is absolutely amazing. So I know a lot of parents are probably watching this wondering, well, what are my rights?
There are a lot of them, and
good.
It's yeah, it is good, but it's also challenging because it's hard to navigate that system without some guidance. Parents are often overwhelmed with their day-to-day decisions, and they also have to figure out what exactly their rights are, how to advocate for them, how to do it in the right way, using the right procedures, and it can be challenging if you don't have some support or guidance along the way.
So this brand new service is going to try to help parents with this. What can they expect if they sign up for this?
We can be an ally and an advocate for parents. We can come with them to school meetings if they need, or we can help them behind the scenes, just point them in the right direction. We can put them in touch with resources in their community to help them get evaluations, get services, depending on what their needs are, and just help them clarify the bigger picture of what their goals are to help their children reach their potential.
Either one of you can answer this next question, but I want to reiterate that when it comes to special needs, it doesn't just mean a child with a disability. Can you guys expand on other things that might fall into that category?
I think what's really important to realize is that special education doesn't just mean academic support.
Yeah.
Special education can be related services like speech therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy. If your child has behavior issues or communication issues, it's really just about getting to the bottom of who your unique child is and what their unique needs are that may be above and beyond what a typical or general education student needs.
Every child is different, right?
Absolutely.
So how do people get in touch with you guys?
They can reach out to us on the Schluter and Hughes law firm website, or call us directly.
Fabulous. Thank you so much for coming in. This isn't a topic that we hear about all too often, but I'm sure there's a lot of people watching thinking, man, I could have utilized this years ago, or maybe they can use it now. So thank you so much for explaining everything.
Absolutely.
Thank you for having us.
We appreciate you guys.
Best of luck to all the families out there with school right around the corner.
I feel like I'm the bearer of bad news. Yikes. Oh well.